bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl and I'm back with another video. Back and better, baby. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this simple, really cute makeup tutorial for your everyday, because you gotta look like a baddie all day, every day, period. And I'm the one that's gonna show you how to do that. Let me stop. If you guys want to see how I get this look done, full face, eyes, everything, stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm taking my Profusion brow palette and then I just brush and brush, and I usually just follow my eyebrow. So we're done with that. So these are the brows. Now we're about to add some concealer. This is my next concealer. And then you're gonna just so when I do a full face or when I do eye makeup or whatever it is, I always do the eyes first, because if you don't do the eyes first, then a lot of the times your makeup will have a lot of fallout and then it'll get onto your foundation and stuff like that. So you just really want to avoid having to do your makeup all over again. So that's why I do the eyes first and then I move on to everything else after. This is my Jeffree Star beauty blender and it's really small, and I just blend that in. So I'm gonna use my primer to put all over my face so I can just moisturize before I even do my eye makeup. So the first color I'm gonna use is from my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here. Is it this one? Yeah. So this one's called Bear. So I'm going to use Bear right here with my Jeffree Star Morphe brush. And I'm just going to put it on my outer corner. Just kind of packing that in. So next we're gonna go in with like this color right here, and this one is called October. It's like a soft orangey brown, and you want to just kind of blend that right here onto your crease into the dark brown. gonna go in with the wolf and I'm just putting that in to the little empty spot that's on my eyelid, and you kind of just want to dab that in. And I'm gonna go in with the color Prince. And that is right here at the top. Right here, Prince. And I'm only gonna apply it right under my brow bone. So it's like a highlight to my brow bone. Is take my color correct. So as you can see, I have some dark circles under my eyes. So to fix that, a light pink color correct, and I just apply that. See, you could barely see it because it's really light, but it's like a pinkish, and I add that right here to my under eye, and then I bit, and then we're gonna blend. Now I'm taking my NARS concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. So this is the bronzer that I'm gonna use. It's the light to medium. When I contour my forehead, I contour my cheeks, I contour my jawline, and then I most importantly contour my nose. So I'm just gonna put a light pink blush on. Put this light pink up here, only a dab. And this is a blush brush. And you're gonna put it right at the apples of your cheeks. So smile. And you kind of just want to blend it in with your contour. We're gonna add our highlight. 2 drops right here. 1 and 2. And just kind of and blend that in with my fingers. So as you can see, this is the highlight. Now we're gonna go in with my lip gloss, and it's a subtle pink lip gloss. And now I was gonna add eyelashes, but if you are like, you wear lashes every day, then yes, you could add lashes. But if you're the same person that doesn't wear lashes every day, you don't have to put lashes on. So I'm just gonna add some mascara, and I'll show you how everything looks. So this is the pink lip gloss. So this is the lip gloss with the look. Now I'm gonna add some mascara. My NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Like, my eyelashes do not curl. They do not curl. My eyelashes are pinned straight. There's nothing I could do about it. That's why I wear my lashes. But so I just go from the bottom, make my way up. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what else you want to see. If y'all haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Let me know what y'all think. And comment down below what you guys want to see. Bye.